Okay, so let me talk to y'all real quick before I head to the store. So, remind y'all, y'all know how I did the Subway mukbang, like, some days ago. My bad, I meant to say, hey, y'all, thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, thank you. But I came on here to rant about, how I'm feeling, because it's no way that I should, hold on, because I'm finna show y'all how these badass kids be pissing me off. Hold on, let me show you. So let me tell y'all about the other day, why I say this about this place. So the other day, me and my coworker, we just like chopping it up or whatever, and we just having good old conversation. Like, oh, it smells like my ex. I just heard on the air, it smelled like my ex. Oh my gosh. What the? You know what? Let me chill. I'm high. Let me start by saying that I am high. So like we having conversation, we just talking and whatever like that. So next thing you know, like my stomach was like cramping, like in my pelvic area. So I'm like, dang, like this hurt. Like this hurt bad. Like I didn't have food poisoning before, but I had it like I had a virus. This that I feel like I'm going through right now is like food poisoning or something. Like my stomach is like, I can't stop doing the number 2. Like I can't stop doing the number 2. I can't. Like I can, but it's like my stomach will like, after everything I eat, my stomach gonna like cramp up and it's gonna hurt for a little minute, and then it feel like trapped gas, but then when I go to the restroom, it's actually poo. So it's like I don't wanna keep going through this, so I'm finna go to HEB and get me a laxative, and also probably like some little snacks. Let me not say snacks, like my healthy snacks. I'm gonna give me like some nuts and these like some healthy stuff. I always be eating healthy, but like lately I haven't, when I've been, you know, not being able to make my lunch, whatever like that. But I'm sure finna start back because this just really pissed me off. So I'm gonna start vlogging when I get to HEB. So right now I'm leaving HEB. I forgot to vlog, but yeah, I had to get up out of there. Well, I forgot to vlog because it's like too many people in here, like too many. So I had to get the fuck up out of there. So I forgot to kind of vlog, but it's okay. Cause now I'm just gonna show y'all everything I got. I'm so out of breath walking to this car. I think it's cause I'm high. Well, not I think. I know it's because I'm high. I'm high. I'm high as fuck. And I don't know who that is blowing, why they blowing like that. But yeah, the bed is just high. But yeah. So, I made it to the car. We finna get up in here. Oh, it smells like weed. But we don't smoke. We don't smoke, kids. And we gonna crank the loud car. Oh, it's not that loud. Okay, sure. Girl, I thought somebody was on my back seat. So I got my cranberry juice. Her. I got the off-brand because I really don't care. Oh my gosh, y'all, I forgot to get my drinks. I got me some green beans, the HEB brand because they good. I got me some diarrhea relief. Y'all, I just took some thumbnails. So I got the diarrhea relief because, you know, I'm going through it right now. I got the good old V because y'all know. Y'all need to go to HEB, get these. If you like coconut, I ain't gonna hurry up and go home before I be shitting. If you like coconut, get you the HEB. I mean, get you some coconut chews out of the bulk section at HEB. They good in the bitch. They good. I got me some nuts. I'm not showing y'all that. I got me some deodorant. And I got me some pita chips. Pita bread is so good. And some mango. But yeah, so hopefully I feel better after I drink that diarrhea stuff. Cause it's like my stomach be like, I literally have lost 10 pounds in a week because of that Subway. That's been a week since I had Subway. It's been a week. And I am currently feeling like shit. Honestly. Y'all, yesterday I forgot to finish twisting my hair when I fell asleep. My stomach was hurting. I know it's gonna be hurt. My bad. I was high. I was high. Well, right now, not that bad, but it's bad. And it's not even bad. It's like, yeah, I just literally sat here and tried to eat them. I should have went to McDonald's and got the sweetie meal since I'm already going through a midlife crisis. Yeah, I'm gonna vlog after. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna vlog after I take that stuff. Dang, what you was taking before you ate? It's not even classified as eating. I'm really debating about this sweetie meal. Gotta get my stomach hurting. I'll be back. Yeah. So I'm sitting here being nice, sharing my food with the good old birds, right? I throw my coconut chew down. They run away from it. I'm trying to figure out why they don't want no coconut chew. We're gonna see if they want a different one. Maybe they just didn't like that one. They really not coming after my coconut chew. Okay, yeah, go be smart and go get that coconut chew. Get it. Bro, they tripping. They all missing the coconut chew. Do y'all see that? Like, look. Hold on. Now I'm gonna go get my coconut chew. My coconut chew right there. Okay, there go my coconut chew. I'm trying to tell them to get this coconut chew that I just threw out there. It's right there. Look, I think he's finna get the other one I just threw. No, I wanna watch the fight. I think he is getting the other one. Oh, look, he's smart. Because there you go. Bro, they just made me waste my freaking food. Bro, I was really looking forward to that one probably. Y'all don't know that. Oops. Okay, we're gonna try one more. Just one more. We threw it. It rolled by them. Go eat it, fool. It's a coconut chew. Oh my god. We got a smart Kennedy. Come on. Go get that coconut chew. Why would you come? Bro, they tripping. They could be enjoying some coconut chews right now. So I'm mad because I hope they get hit. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my fucking gosh. Bro. Update on the medicine I was drinking. I feel better and nothing has like affected me that I had ate when I was up in the car. Nothing has affected me, so medicine might be good. But yeah, don't go eat Subway. Don't. Because you'll end up like me. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow, later or something. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment on the Baddest Putas video.